Hello and welcome to HW. As coronavirus cases around the country are increasing at a very rapid speed, the city of Mumbai has seen a slight decline. The city reported less than 3,000 cases in the last 24 hours, and the state of Maharashtra recorded less than 50,000 cases in the last 24 hours. The liberalized vaccination drive, however, which was slated to start on the 1st of May, has been going at a very slow speed in the city. The BMC has tried to organize close to 14 to 15 vaccination centers where 18 to 44 age bracket is being served in the first dose of the vaccine. And today onwards, the city has started vaccination drive for 45 and above. We are currently at the BKC vaccination center. That's part of the jumbo facility set up by the BMC. And by the time we reached, we already got to know that there are some people who had been turned away due to the lack of vaccination doses. Let's try to understand what is the feel on the ground.
At 12 pm, the BMC tweeted that the vaccine for the 45 plus category was over and requested that those who have got tokens already may wait at the center. This message, when conveyed on ground by volunteers and police officials, led to confusion and arguments by the beneficiaries who had done the registration and arrived at the stipulated time slot. After heated arguments, the police officials were forced to allow the beneficiaries in, who soon rushed towards the entrance of the vaccination center. In a clear violation of COVID-19 protocols, beneficiaries rushed to enter the line to get the jabs. Angry Mumbaikars, disappointed at not getting the jab in spite of a booking on the CoWIN portal, blamed the BMC for mismanagement and lack of communication.
So at the BKC vaccination center, we have one of the beneficiaries who got the message, who booked his appointment on the COVID portal, and now he's been asked to go away because there is no vaccine. Let's try to understand what the exact issue is. So your name, please?
Chandresh Mehta. I booked the appointment like 15-20 minutes back because there were only 3 doses they were showing for Covaxin, not Covishield, Covaxin. So I booked it. After when I am coming here, they say there's nothing, no stock is there. How it is possible if it's showing online? There are other people also who had come for Covaxin, had just gone back without getting a dose. Means why they are calling? Otherwise, if not there, say no. People are coming, leaving their jobs, they are coming here, taking their time out. If not there, everybody is helpless here and there is nobody answerable. What is the use of booking online if things are not going to happen?
So when you booked on the CoWIN portal, it showed that there are still bookings open.
Yeah, three doses were there. I booked one of them. In next 10 minutes, everything was over. Then when I came to the place and I'm asking for it, they are saying the stock is not there. How it is possible? Otherwise, it wouldn't have shown on the format. Booking ही नहीं होता था अगर नहीं था तो. Means there is something which have to be looked into. People are coming here, they are standing outside in the hot sun. There is no provision. They are just making them stand. They are also helpless inside. I don't know what's happening, where things are going wrong. Maybe there is nobody looking into it, or there is something else which is going inside. I don't know.
So now they haven't
And
told
there are
you.
people going back because after booking Covaxin, they are going back without getting the vaccine. So please look into it.
And now they haven't told you when you should reschedule.
No, they are saying go again on the portal, you check again an appointment. I say again I will take an appointment, again you will say go back. There is no answer to it and there is no end to it.
A beneficiary's relative we spoke to also complained that the CoWIN portal slots are booked within seconds due to shortage and that there are some youngsters who are using other means to grab a slot in this minimum time space.
But the problem is that whatever information we're getting through Twitter, when the MC says that okay, now the slot is going to open at 7:30 p.m. But it's like we go at 7:30 p.m. We're trying to see it's coming LA. Maybe I refresh it and within 30 seconds it's already booked. So I don't understand how is it possible that within 30 seconds, 5 centers, if they have been assuming there are 500 doses given at each center, is getting booked within 30 seconds. So that means there has to be some backlog. There has to be some way. I just spoke to a couple of youngsters right now who said that they are sitting for the past 3 days on a desktop website through secure VPN and trying to get it done. And that's how they got it done after 3 days. So you tell me, how does a normal person who has no knowledge about VPN, who has no knowledge how to do it, how will he get vaccinated? There has to be some transparency, there has to be some kind of accountability when you are opening the vaccine for 1844. That is your major target of this country. How are they going to get vaccinated? How are you going to bring down the numbers? You're saying you're going to stop the second wave by getting vaccinated. You can't stop the second wave. The second wave is already on. We're riding it right now. The only way to stop is the third wave. If you are not going to help us in understanding how does the CoWIN portal work, I just booked an appointment for my mom today after a week of struggle. Where it was mentioned Covaxin. So we came here. We stay in Andheri. It takes us 45 minutes for us to come over. It's not like we stay somewhere close by. We have travelled for 45 minutes to come here. My mom has stood in the line. And immediately when she reaches over there, they said there's no COVID.
And they're giving Covishield
They're
instead.
giving Covishield. So she's taking Covishield. Now, see, I understand that depending on the center, number of people, you can't be really too picky. As mentioned also, the private sector will be the only people who will be giving you a choice in terms of vaccine. But if you're mentioning something on the book, it's mentioned on the co-vaccine, in clear words, so then provide it.
We are now at Seven Hills Hospital, which is in a suburb of Mumbai, Andheri East. Here, by the time we reach around 1:32, announcements are being made at the security gate and by security guard, the vaccines are over. However, we got hold of one beneficiary who had done his appointment on the COVID portal and he got his second jab administered. So let's try to talk to him. Your name, please? Abhijit. And you registered on the COVID portal?
Yes.
How much time did it take? Was it a tough time to start searching on the COVID portal and look for an appointment?
It was like I booked the appointment at 7:30 when the slot was open. The slot vanished around like in 10 seconds. I was lucky and I got the registration done.
What time was your registration and what time did you get the second jab done?
My registration was at 1 p.m. over here and there is no rush inside. But then if you have registration then you don't have to do.
And was the second dose that you got of the
Yes, this was the second dose.
So, as you saw, on one hand we had the BKC Jumbo Vaccination Center where stock was already over and people were asked to go home. Here at Seven Hills Hospital, the beneficiary that we got hold of, he was scheduled for his second dose and he got it seamlessly after scratching to find an appointment on the COVID portal with registration, of course. So let's try to hope that the vaccination centers in different parts of the city are in working condition. The BMC on its part has been trying to update on its Twitter handle on a regular basis as to which are the centers that are offering the vaccine and which are the centers that are exhausting its resources in the given stipulated time. Let's hope that the vaccination drive picks up. Thanks for watching.
Hello everyone. HW News English is 2 years old now. When we started this venture, we promised ourselves one thing, that news should remain free, because right to know is the right of every Indian. But to keep news free for everyone, we need support from some of you. And thus we have rolled out membership on our YouTube channel HW News English. But mind you, the membership is completely voluntary. The programs that we were doing earlier, that we are doing now, will continue to remain free. First level is a basic level. Here, you can be our supporter by paying Rs 199 per month. This membership gives you certain perks and benefits. The perks include unique badges in front of your name, a live show from Mr. Sujit Nair and from Mr. Akhilesh Bhargava per month for our members. You can also vote in some exclusive members-only polls. Now the second level is Super Supporter. Here you can be our Super Supporter by paying Rs 3,999 per month. This membership will include every perk that comes with basic level. Additionally, our Super Supporters can be a part of a WhatsApp group where we can have discussions and suggestions on various topics. The second perk includes a gift pack with our merchandise. And the third perk is a Google Meet with Mr. Sujit Nair, where you can join the meet and ask your questions to Mr. Nair face to face. Lastly, if you like, we would give a shout out to our super supporters in our programs. So, hope to see you soon with our badges.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.
If you like this video, please share it and we would love to hear your comments in the comments section down here. Also, please do like our Facebook page and follow us on Twitter to get minute-to-minute news updates. For more such shows and videos, well, subscribe to our YouTube channel.